Welcome to the Casa de Fruta fire station. I'm firefighter Moeller. Let me show you around. Here at the Casa de Fruta fire station, we have a Type 3 fire engine staffed with 3 personnel that responds and is outfitted to the unique types of calls we get here along the 152 corridor from Dinosaur Point to Bloomfield Road. We primarily respond to vehicle accidents, medical emergencies, vehicle fires, and vegetation fires. We're situated in this temporary fire location in the RV park at Casa de Fruta year-round until we can find a more permanent location. Let me show you what's unique about our area. Let's go for a drive. What's unique about this area is we have over 40,000 commuters coming through every day on commute times. There's this area down here called the unprotected area of Santa Clara County that extends outside of our fire district all the way to the area of Dinosaur Point, where there's still significant issues with vehicle accidents and medical emergencies. What that unprotected area means is no city, municipality, or fire district is contractually obligated to provide services out here. The state's responsible for the watershed and wildfire response, but we will always answer the call up to the county line or beyond with mutual aid to provide medical assistance, paramedics, rescue responses to anyone in need. Having our station at Casa de Fruta gives us the opportunity to respond quickly to any emergency.